Would you take a sightseeing trip into orbit? Well, the wait may finally be over for those eagerly anticipating the first commercial flights from Virgin Galactic. In a recent earnings call, the company announced that it's preparing to launch its first commercial flights, starting with a Unity 25 test flight in late May. The previous test flight of Virgin Galactic's Spaceship Two suborbital vehicle, VSS Unity, in May 2021 was a great success. The flight, known as the Unity 22 mission, was the company's first crewed spaceflight and carried a crew of 4, including Virgin Galactic founder Sir Richard Branson. The spacecraft reached an altitude of more than 50 miles above the Earth's surface, allowing the crew to experience weightlessness and see the curvature of the planet. The flight marked a major milestone for Virgin Galactic as it moves towards starting commercial flights for paying customers. The Unity 25 flight, scheduled for late May of 2023, will also be performed by the Spaceship Two suborbital vehicle VSS Unity, and it's intended to be the final test before beginning commercial flights. This will be the company's first spaceflight in nearly 2 years, and it's an exciting milestone for the company. During the earnings call, company executives announced that the crew for the flight would be made up of 6 company employees, including Mike Masucci as the commander and CJ Sturkow as the pilot. The vehicle will also carry 4 mission specialists: Jamila Gilbert, Christopher Huey, Luke Mays, and Beth Moses. The decision to move forward with the powered flight was made after a successful glide flight on April 26th, which provided the necessary data to clear the vehicles for the next mission. If the Unity 25 flight is successful later this month, Virgin Galactic plans to conduct its first commercial flight, called Galactic 1, in late June. This will be a dedicated research flight for the Italian Air Force, and commercial flights carrying private astronauts and research payloads will follow at regular intervals. In addition to announcing the Unity 25 flight, Virgin Galactic executives also provided new details about the economics of its next-generation suborbital spaceplanes, the Delta class. With a ticket price of at least $450,000 per customer, the company expects to generate a minimum of $2.7 million in revenue per flight, with operating costs of about $400,000 per flight. The company expects to start assembling the first Delta-class vehicles at a new factory near Phoenix in 2024, with test flights in 2025, and commercial service projected to start in 2026. However, the company is currently focused on finalizing the design of the vehicle, which will have the same outer mold line as Unity, but with changes to its composite structure and upgrades to other systems. With its upcoming Unity 25 test flight and plans for commercial flights in the very near future, Virgin Galactic is making steady progress towards its goal of making space travel accessible to more people. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll all get the chance to experience space travel for ourselves. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.